How can you clear YouTube cache or YouTube junk files on your mobile phone? So the first step is to go on your setting option here in your mobile phone, and I will find out the general setting here. The first setting is called general. So just click on the general setting here, and the seventh option is called iPhone storage. You can see in the middle iPhone storage. In iPhone storage you will see a lot of option here, so you just have to find YouTube in this folder. Just scroll to the down, you can see, let me just click on YouTube here. You can see there is a 522.4 MB data in this. So the option is offload the application. When you will click this app, when you will click this option, so the data and the junk files will be cleared from your iPhone. And if you want to delete your iPhone permanently from your mobile phone, you can click on the delete option here. As like this, you can clear any applications data in this general setting option. Thank you for watching.